view to the southwest. .421, still in the same location, watching storms evolve to the west, southwest. First tornado warning of the day in this region over Michigan City. That storm's tail end, probably in the warmer air in the boundary, and that's moving to the east-northeast. So everything's sort of gravitating this way in an arc. Right around 4:30. Next hour should get interesting. Winds are easterly. Winds are predominantly easterly here. In my opinion, that storm to the southwest to the east of Michigan City, which is tornado warned, is going to move more easterly. But if it crosses the boundary, then it's show over. So it's going to have a small window here. And got to get out of these damn trees. All right, going south. Very green-gray, wall cloud just to the west, due west. .547, strong east winds here. Strong mesocyclone just to the west of 8th Street at the Bailey Farm. This does not look friendly. You've got strong inflow into it. As this approaches, I'm going to zoom in over here just so you can see the inflow into this. Probably a tornado with this. Very low base. Here's a view to the south. That's over towards the house. My easterly escape route is going to be, it might be a tornado just past the house here. That's looking southwest. Tornado very close to the house. Yep, that very well might be a tornado just to the southwest. It's very close. That's off south of S Avenue. Very strong mesocyclonic signature here. Rotating wall cloud. Have to bail east here soon. mesocyclone circulation. Cool inflow here, cool inflow. Wall cloud coming together right here, just to the southwest. Got to bail east soon. Sirens going in Schoolcraft. Gotta bail east, gotta bail east. One more final view. Greenish gray to the north. Bailing east. This is way too close to home. East on S Avenue. Big mesocyclone and wall cloud. Stabilize that. Heading north towards Portage. Coming right down Center Street. Hard to view this right now. Scud to the north. Just took a still of the radial velocity. All right, north on 131. Got some rain bands rapidly rotating just to the south. Shit. Might have a big tornado back here. That's what it looks like to me. Tornado. There it is. Going north on 131. Got to M-ping this as a tornado. It's a big tornado. 557. Mesocyclone now crossing 131. Tornado over 131 right now. I cannot record that. All right, this is going into Portage. Okay, here is the mesocyclone. It's crossing Westnedge at the moment. Just rain bands. It's not a tornado at the moment. Mesocyclone now crossing Westnedge, comma, no tornado with this at the moment, comma. Rapid rotation though, period. Rapid down motion right here. Very rapid down motion. Debris in the air. There's debris in the air. There's a tornado there. Debris in the air over Crossroads Mall. Yep, that's a tornado, large tornado, right here. In view. Fuck. Large tornado now over Westnedge. Big tornado going over Water Street. It's over Target now. Jesus. There it is. It's over Target. Holy shit. RFD wrapping around. Big tornado. Second RFD. Okay, that tornado's heading east. Now I'm in the RFD wrap. There was damage down along Center Street here. Shit. All right. Clear to the mezzo. Are you okay?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
That was a big, that was a quarter mile wide tornado with a lot of debris in the air. South of Crossroads Mall, went right down Center Street.
Holy!
I have great video of it, and it's continuing east. I'm in the rear flank mezzo wrap right now, but it's continuing east towards Galesburg. Don't flip me. That's up 94. Gets pretty woodsy over there. Probably having a tornadic rephase. Here's debris falling out of the sky. Looks like some siding or something. 550. Here it was just all black, and it was coming together right over where this high-based feature is here.
Somewhere in the
This-
face, or
This is not rotating.
okay.
This isn't worked over there. This is a, kind of like a sub-supercell,
Yep.
and this is moving this way. Hail threat with it. There's some bunkers in there.
Yeah.
It's looking northwest. That's curious. I think it's scud. It's getting a little wet here. Okay, chase over. I'm going back to the house. What a day. House is intact.